The yield curve, specifically the spread between the 10-year and 2-year Treasury, is one of the most watched recession indicators in the world. When it inverts, economists pay attention. When it normalizes, they watch how it does it. We ran a full year of the spread through FSR using Fred data. Here's what the stability score shows. The 10-year minus 2-year Treasury spread tells you what the bond market thinks about the future versus the present. When long-term rates are higher than short-term rates, a positive spread, the curve is normal and growth expectations are healthy. When short-term rates exceed long-term rates, inversion, it historically signals a recession is coming. This chart starts with the spread near zero at 0.20, meaning the curve had just barely normalized after a period of inversion. 1 year of daily data from Fred, FSR score 66.5%, rolling FSR 85%. The 1 year average sits at 0.51. The spread started near 0.20, climbed to a peak near 0.73, and is currently sitting at 0.49, right at the yearly average. The move up from near inversion to positive territory happened in a structured way. 66.5%. FSR confirms that. But look at the rolling FSR on the far right. It's declining again, now sitting around 73 to 75%. The structure of the spread is becoming less predictable right now. The early part of this chart, windows 1 through 34, shows the worst rolling FSR reading of the year, dropping to 59%. That was the period of maximum uncertainty as the curve was just emerging from an inversion. It recovered. Now the rolling FSR is softening again on the far right, which means the yield curve's behavior is becoming erratic again. Whether that's because the market is repricing recession risk or rate cut expectations is the question. All this data can be run at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.